Hi everyone! It's Christmas season again, and today I will make another moist, delicious fruitcake. Dried fruits, green cherries, green and red cherries, cranberries, organic, candy, ginger, pineapple, walnuts, we have raisins, and my recipe bumili ako ng Old English fruit and peel mix, and I will be using their recipe holiday fruitcake, and I will be using their recipe. I feel like this is yummy recipe, so we will try this. And instead of orange juice, I prefer to use spice rum for this fruitcake. Ibabad muna natin ang ating mga fruits, dried fruits, overnight before we bake this fruitcake. We'll mix all together our dried fruits, 100 grams of cranberries. Let's add raisins. Dried pineapple. Malalaki siya, so i-chop ko siya ng maliliit. Chop this around 100 grams. So para hindi siya masyadong malaki sa ating cake. So ilalagay ko lahat itong pineapple sa ating container. We will be adding some green cherries. Ilalagay ko sa description ang mga ingredients ko and their measurement. Some green cherries. We have red cherries. This looks delicious. You know, hindi mo pa binibake, masarap na kasi candy na yung mga fruits na ito. So it's really delicious. Green cherries and red cherries. Lalagyan natin siya ng ginger, dried ginger candy. So around 50, maybe 50 grams. Ayan. And lalagyan ko rin siya ng walnuts. So for the walnuts, i-chop ko ng konti dahil ito ay medyo malalaki. And around 100 grams. Let's chop this. Kung wala kayong walnuts, peanuts, cashew nuts, pwede. Any of your favorite nuts you can use. You can chop this a little. So just the size of this. Now it's chopped. Lalagay na natin siya sa ating bowl. Okay. Ito ang ating bowl. We'll mix this. And my last fruits is this fruit mix. So, as I have said, ito yung ating gagamiting recipe, holiday fruit cake. An old English fruit and peel mix. So, ready na siya. It's already chopped. So, I will be using, this is 32 ounces. So, kukunin ko yung half. Half of this will be added to my mixture. Okay. So, mix natin lahat ng fruits. Looks delicious. If you're interested sa recipe na to, lalagay ko ang mga fruits that you can use in making fruit cake. Okay, this is completely mixed. And now we will add our rum. So, hahaluan ko siya ng half cup of spiced rum. Pwede kang gumamit ng brandy, orange juice. So, kung ayaw mo ng alcohol, you can use orange juice. So, half cup of the spiced rum. Mix this sa ating fruits. This is my second time na gumawa ng fruit cake. And I think next time I'm gonna try orange juice. The last time gumamit ako ng brandy at napakasarap. This time, rum. So next will be orange juice. Kasi mahal yata yung rum at saka brandy kung sa Pilipinas. But orange juice is mura lang, so we can use orange juice. You can also add jam, like orange jam or orange marmalade. Yan. So, i-mix natin ang gusto and then titikman ko muna. Tikman ko ang lasa. Lasang rum. Ang sarap. Halo ko na siyang mabuti. And then this will be, ibabad ko siya overnight. And then the following day, we will bake the fruit cake. I will cover this with this cling plastic wrap. So, ilalagay ko siya sa ref and then see you later. So, ilalagay ko siya sa ref and then we'll be back for the baking. Thanks for watching and please, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later. Thanks everyone.